Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So let's start these sessions. We are going to create a Windows 11 ISO file. How to create, I can say how to create a Windows 11 media creation tool online. We have to type, open any of the browser and type download Windows 11 Microsoft. So it will open this type of page. You have to select the first one, then see Windows 11 installation assistance. The second one is create Windows 11 installation media. The third one is download Windows 11 disk image ISO file for 64 devices. Then we have to download the middle one, create Windows 11 installation media, and then we have to double click on that, and then it will open one of page front of you. You have to wait for few seconds. Now page is opening for you, getting a few things ready. So guys, long back I thought to start and create a video, because most of friends they ask me to how to create a media creation tool in personally. So I thought to make a video for them. So let us start. So you can see and then accept whatever things came to you. And now it is getting a few things ready for you. You have to wait for few more seconds, and then next step will come to you, where you have to select on next only, because it will be selected automatically. You can see select language and edition. Language selected English United States Windows 11, and then hit on next normally. Choose which media to use, USB flash drive. We have to, it will select automatically, no need to do any changes. You can see it is selected by default at pen drive. And now if you hit on next, then getting a few things ready for you. You have to wait for some time and keep patience, because here it will take time, depends on your internet speed and all. For creating this it will take little bit time. So here I can explain you so many things. So if you need this video in Hindi, so I will create one more video for Hindi, where you can more understand about this. I have did pause for sometimes video, because it is going to longer, that's why I did pause for sometimes. But I will show you after creating recovery online pen drive how it will show, and how you will confirm that is correct way and done. So I have did pause, so you can see it is progress in 19%. It will go 62, and then it will go again, see 100% the first time reach. The second time it is downloading that creation application, like media application. If you are going to be install for autopilot configuration laptop, so this is the very easy way to create media creation tool. Pen drive should be required 8 GB to 16 GB. If you have, that's good, it should be 8 GB pen drive required. While creating a media tools, make sure please take a backup and go for media creation tool, because it will erase your data while creating online media tools, and it will create a bootable pen drive automatically. Just we have to wait for some time, and you can do it your home, your personal devices, anywhere you can do it where internet available and laptop. And almost this is done guys, 98% it is done. So simply once it's reached to 100%, you have to click on finish, and after that I can show you the media creation tool, which file it is required, and if that file it is downloaded inside pen drive, so you can do the installation. So if you have any questions, anything, please let me know, where I can help you. And if you need any issue related stealth, SSCM, Outlook, anything guys, I can make a video for you and share with you. You can see that file, it is there, that is the setup file. If you are going to be install a any installation for any of the laptop remake or installation OS, so you can use this way.